Okay, so to do an eye, you want, I find that this kind of shape is going to be your best friend. Some kind of hexagon. Like that. So let's draw another one. So just getting my idea for the eye down. Just have that base shape. And then I go in here and I kind of round the corner over there. Bring this down and you have a tear duct. Women normally have it curved a little more. And then I think it was a Western one that's like really curved. But, you know, we'll just have our tear duct about there. So then we come about here and put some darker lines on this top eyelash here. That's going to be your eyelashes. Come around here and do like a really dark line. And then put in your iris. And your iris is going to be covered a little bit. So let me actually clean up my eyelashes here. So then you can put eyelashes coming off the side. They point away from the eye. You gotta have this line over here, which is going to be the lid, the bottom lid. Hold on, I messed it up. I drew it too close. So I'm just rounding this up a little bit. I'm drawing my lid. You don't always have to draw that lid depending on how small the eye is. If you're drawing it on a person's face, it's going to be kind of small for you to put the lid. You don't really have to do it. But then you have your eyelash there. Now, you're always going to have a highlight because your eyes are reflecting light. So I'll just come to the side in here and draw like a circle. In the center, I will draw another dot. And let me just clean up for the highlight. And then I'm going to have a line up in here that comes around our eyelashes and comes about there. And this is where the eyeball is being covered by the eyelid. You could do that around here too. And so about halfway through the iris, you color all of this black. Look at that, boom, that's my favorite part. That's because the eyelashes are covering the, they're casting a shadow on top of this. And then you could do your squiggly lines for the little ridges and parts of the iris. I forgot what that was called. Put a line up here. That's where our shoulder. Why did I say shoulder? Our eyebrow is going to come up on top of like this area over here. Eyebrow hairs all go to the side. And then you don't have to draw eyebrows. Depending on the level of detail in your comic book or character, you could just draw like blocks, eyebrow blocks. Or you could draw eyebrow blocks and then put in the hairs. So that way you kind of design the shape. And then you're still kind of putting in the line, the individual hairs. And then what you could do is also you could erase the outlines. So you have the shape of the eyebrow that you want. And just put in those individual hairs. You can have however, many hairs. Maybe you want it to be cleaner. Or you want those eyebrows on fleek, as the kids say. And then you can come around here, put some lines. That's kind of like where the nose is going to be. So we kind of have an eyeball there. Oh, geez. So now we learned how to draw an eye. We learned how to draw a front view, quarter view, side view, and male, female, child. And then, so you kind of see, if you've been drawing the eye for a while, you don't really have to draw out this hexagon shape all the time. So like for me, I just kind of go right into drawing the eye. I've been doing it so long.